Hey, what's up? This is Miguel from MiguelAngelOnline.com. I want to make this review for Viral Success Network. I wanted to make this testimony, and it was inspired by the universe because today I woke up with a $500 commission. Woke up from a nap with that email, and it was all thanks to Viral Success Network and my mentors. So I wanted to pay homage and make this review because it's long overdue, and I wanted to show you the results that I've gotten with Viral Success Network. And honestly, if you do this yourself, you'll probably get better results. So this is the sales page, and here's actually one of my testimonials from a sale I've gotten before, and it's just to show you that it's not the first time we've gotten sales with VSN. Here's one of the capture pages I was using, and they're some of the highest converting capture pages, and they're used by the top income earners too in internet marketing. So, and here's some lead proof. It goes back all the way months, all the leads I've generated. And Viral Success Network helped me build a residual income at one point, but I wasn't focused. So, and the reason I share that failure with you is because I'm throwing it out to the universe that I'm going to do a 90-day challenge starting now. And we're going to show you how much traffic we get, and then we're going to make you want to join our team. But anyway, this still keeps going. And here's the proof of my $500 sale today. And it was while I was sleeping. So there's my review for Viral Success Network. We have over 50 landing pages, capture pages, built-in autoresponder, and the best traffic around, best co-ops. So you see what we have. We have the community, and honestly, I think anybody who's doing internet marketing right now, they can use this to their advantage. So I highly recommend it. Click the link below, check it out, get started. Viral Success Network.